So as you can see, I'm out here at Massey, one of the oldest spots out here. Two Fayetteville. I heard it's about to close down in a month or so. Maybe so, I don't know. I'm about to grab a couple of footage out here. I think everybody else should go ahead and do their own little thing out here, just in case it's not here anymore. I don't know. Look, Fayetteville is a small town already, and we already don't have much. I think as a community, we should go ahead and invest in a small place, somewhere that's like not like big, something that's not going to get taken away, something that's like the area back door type shit, and we could go ahead and put some concrete down and invest in it. Like, yo, y'all see the spot in Raleigh? I know y'all seen the spot in Raleigh because some of y'all fucking skated the spot in Raleigh. Skated some of the spot in Raleigh with y'all motherfuckers. So don't act like y'all haven't skated the spot in Raleigh. We can do that. I think that we should invest as a community and do something like that because we're losing this. We're losing it. And I think it kind of sucks that like we don't have like a cool spot. I think that it sucks that this might be like one of my last videos out here and I get to dry out and soak up the sun away from everybody at one of the DIY spots. I'm like mad that there's no locals out here right now. It's a DIY spot, your local DIY spot, and it's empty. That's to say something. Or not. I know if I pull into Raleigh right now and skate their DIY spot, I'm just saying, look, y'all be out here talking shit about each other and shit. Hey, I'm a community nigga. I think we should skate with each other and be with each other and like, not like pause, no diddy, but I think we should help each other out type shit. Y'all motherfuckers be ODing, gatekeep shit. Y'all gatekeepers? I don't give a fuck. Fuck y'all gatekeeping ass niggas. I share everything I got, and I don't give a fuck. We're all on this float rock together. But y'all motherfuckers that like to hide shit and keep shit to yourselves, okay. The only thing you should keep to yourself is the pussy that you about to put a ring on. That's it. The rest, y'all motherfuckers be OD. What? You're out here doing it. That's fucking crazy. You're out here, you out here fucking making a segment. That's wow. What? That boy out here talking to a. That boy talking to a what? He talking to a camera? That's crazy. All right. Show me the money. You don't have to, but while you're listening, can I borrow some spare coochie? I know. It's hot outside, and you probably haven't showered. Go clean. But can I borrow some coochie?
She ain't seen me in a while.